Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm making this video because we recently installed a solar system at home and I wanted to explain to you the process and the benefits of installing one. I wanted to start saying that we live in South Florida, and in South Florida the company that provides us the electricity, it is FPL. Now, FPL allows for each homeowner to install a solar system for up to 115% of the electricity that the house needs. They have to install at your home a meter that works in both ways. With this, whatever the amount of electricity your house created as a surplus that went back to the grid, you can have that at night. And if by any reason you didn't spend that electricity, then you're gonna have at the end of the bill cycle a credit. So that's something good that FPL does for every homeowner that produce more electricity than the ones that they need. And this is only as long as the electricity goes back to the grid. Another benefit that we have here in Florida, it is that any modifications that you do at your home regarding solar system, it's not gonna affect the property taxes. Because I know that you're aware that if you make a modification at your home and that increases in value, you know that your property taxes is gonna go up and you have to pay for that. But in this case, if the modifications were done because you install a solar system at your home, then even that your house is gonna increase in value, you will not have to pay more property taxes on that. Another benefit that we have here in Florida, it is that if you pay for the solar system cash or with a loan, you will not have to pay for the taxes. So that's 7% that you are saving right there. And by the end of the year that you install the solar system and you have to do your taxes, you can get back up to 25 to 26% of the amount that you spend on the solar system. Now I wanted to explain why I decided to move forward with the company that ended up installing my solar system. This company, it is called Sunpro. Well, not anymore. They got bought by ADP a month ago and now it is ADP Solar. I like this company because their customer service is really good. They took care of everything. They took care of the permits with the city, with the association. They of course did the designs. They bought all the materials. They came here and installed everything. And they give you a 25 years warranty for everything that was installed. And they also have a good referral program. Now with this referral, each person that you refer and they decided to move forward and they qualify and they decided to install the solar system, you get $1,000 for each referral. And that's actually really good because if, for example, you refer 30 to 50 people, you already pay your solar system with that. Sunpro installed at home 18 solar panels, LG, the newest models that they have. They also install electric system from the Enphase brand. The Enphase brand also have an application that I have installed on my phone. And as you can see, with this application I can see how much electricity is my solar system producing during the day. I can compare that to the previous day. I can also see how much my solar system produced in the week, in the month, or even in a year. I can compare 1 month to each month. Also, you can see the solar system, each panel, how much produced. And that's something really good about this application, that you can actually see in real time how much your home is producing. Thank you, and if you liked my video, click on subscribe and give a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and God bless and have a good day.